Morning children, today we are going to start sorting data frame. Sort the Python pandas data frame by single column ascending order. Import pandas as PD, import numpy as np. Import is package name, PD is pandas variable, numpy np variable. Create a dictionary of series. It is in comment. Now D is equals to curly bracket. First column name is name, single literals. Inside single literals we write name colon pd dot series, small bracket, square bracket. Inside single literals enter the name and close. At the end you close square bracket, small bracket, comma. Second column is age. Inside single literals write age, then colon pd dot series, small bracket, then curly bracket, enter the age and close curly bracket, big bracket and small bracket, comma. Single literals again, third column is score, colon pd dot series, small bracket, square bracket, enter the series and close square bracket, small bracket, at the end curly bracket. Now hashtag we are using for comment. Create a data frame. Df is variable. Df is equals to pd dot data frame, small bracket, called d variable inside bracket and close bracket. All the column and the values of the column store in d variable. So when we will call d variable, automatically all the things will come. Now it is stored in df. Now print inside bracket inverted code data frame contents without sorting. Now output is given here. Print df. Now we can see in right side output is given without sorting. How it comes: name, age, score, column 0 1 2 3 4. In name is given, age is given, and score is given in score column. Now df is equals to df dot sort underscore values, close bracket, by is equals to inside single literal score. I am using score column for sorting and close bracket. Then print bracket, inside bracket write data frame contents after sorting. Now print df. Right side we can see sort data type. Data frame contents after sorting. Name, age, score. Now earlier without sorting my output is 0 1 2 3 4. According to that name, age and score I got how I had entered, I got the same thing. But after sorting, ascending is by default, so no need to write ascending order. Now data comes in 4 3 2 1 0. I used score column to sort data. So score column we can see 47 55 67 87 89. So according to sort ascending order my data sorted. Now in above example, dictionary object is used to create the data frame. We have seen earlier examples. So dictionary object is to create the data frame. Here I am using create a dictionary of series, means D is my dictionary object. Elements of data frame objects is df is sort by sort underscore values bracket method. To sort the data I am using method name is sort underscore value. As argument we are passing value scores by parameter only. So by default it is a sorting in ascending manner. So no need to write ascending order, it is by default. So data will be automatically sort.